The 2026 Volvo Motorhome utilizes Volvo's FH12 heavy-duty truck platforms with 510 horsepower diesel engines, 6x2 or 6x4 combinations, and automatic gearboxes to support a fully equipped coach. With a height of 40 feet and weight of 26,000 kilograms, it commands attention on the road. Performance/handling Volvo's diesel drivetrain and modern gears give the RV consistent torque for highway driving and mountain climbs. Even at full load, its automated adjustable suspension keeps it smooth. Drivers compliment Volvo's heavy truck performance. Very nice. Option D13 is the only one. Works well. Roomy interior Volvo motorhomes resemble luxurious apartments and feature 1. Open concept living room is equipped with air-sprung leather chairs, widescreen media, luxury wood finishes, and ambient LED lighting. 2nd bedroom, private suite with queen-size bed, luxury bedding, climate control, and blackout shades. Bathroom, full shower, rainhead style, stone countertops, polished fixtures, and ergonomics. Volvo's comfortable lifestyle on the road is reflected in these sections' long-term comfort and usability. Build and customize. Volvo employs strong, durable materials everywhere. Typical features include fiberglass reinforced panels for insulation and weight savings, remote-controlled hydraulic ramps for toy garages, underbody lighting, washer, dryer units, solar power systems, and onboard generators, 8-kilowatt Onan, for off-grid travel. Coach builders usually provide up to 16 floor plans and configurations to suit owners. Tech and usability on the road. The motorhome has modern tech like Volvo's passenger cars. Truck platform driver assist systems and stability control. Efficient diesel engines for long hauls. Centralized vacuum, sewer, and satellite launch cell boosters improve convenience in larger rigs. Volvo prioritizes tech advancement in industry conversations. Volvo's EX60 and Core Computing Platform, SPA3, emphasize adaptability and onboard intelligence, which may affect motorhome navigation, infotainment, and safety systems. Highlights and strengths: powerful performance, turbo diesel, automatic transmission, and adaptive suspension for long-distance smoothness. Luxury interior: a mobile mansion with distinct living, sleeping, and bathing areas for upmarket travel. Customizable: Volvo stands out with multiple layouts, toy haulers, and built-in garages. Quality of construction: durable materials, excellent finishes, and careful integrations make these coaches last. Considerations, trade-offs: cost, base price around €940,000, Kurtz $960,000, with substantial customization. Size and maneuverability: motorhomes at approximately 40 feet and approximately 26 tons demand competence to drive and may restrict access to smaller campsites or narrower roads. Regular maintenance is necessary for complex systems, including diesel engines, generators, and hydraulics. Electronics and tech evolution: older infotainment systems may be less responsive than planned advancements, similar to Volvo passenger vehicles. Verdict: one of the best motorhomes, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, combines high performance with residential comfort. Its powerful truck-based construction, roomy luxury amenities, and customization flexibility make it ideal for discriminating road warriors seeking refinement and durability.